What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little lip swatch video of the most coveted product on the market, and that is no other than the Gloss Bomb Cream from Fenty Beauty. And that's on what? Superior. So we're going to be doing a quick lip swatch videos of all 5 shades of the Gloss Bomb Cream. I'm going to go, show you guys how to look on my complexion. If you guys are interested in that, then definitely keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. Be a part of the XO Squad. We get lit on this side of YouTube. And that's on what? That's on period, boo. So let's go ahead and jump on into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
Alright, so these came in the mail. Fenty Beauty has the doll address, and these came in the mail. So I'm gonna put this on for you guys because that's what I do. I try out Fenty Beauty products for you guys. Just so you guys kind of know, my shade in Fenty Beauty foundation is 445 or 450 depending on the season, and if you are in my complexion or in that particular shade range, this video is definitely for you. If not, then you can kind of take this as an educational moment because I will be teaching some tips and tricks on how to make these work for you. So if you are interested in that, we're gonna go ahead and jump right on into it. All right, so they just recently released these to extend their shades on their Gloss Bomb family. They have 5 new shades, which are cream, full pigmented, opaque. You will see nothing but pure color out of these. They are not as sheer as the other Gloss Bomb, glosses. That's a tongue twister. But nevertheless, I have all 5 shades in my hand. I have Mob Wife, Fenty Glow, Honey Waffle, Cookie Jar, and Fruit Snacks. And we're gonna go from 1 to 5 and try all these out, or lightest to dark in general. A little information about the product is that these are a cult favorite lip gloss with pure creamy color and incredible shine that instantly leaves the lips looking smoother and more voluminous. It has the exact same extra large wand. It's very buildable to full intensity pigmentation with bright shine, and it still has that one swipe with a non-sticky feel just like their other gloss bombs. So I'm excited to definitely put them on. We're going to start off with the shade Mauve Wife, which is supposed to be a rosy mauve. So for this one, I know this is going to be very vibrant on my lips, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it one coat as is with no lip liner, and then I'm going to do a look with the lip liner so you guys can see how you can make it more wearable for my melanated kings and queens out there. Alright, so this is Mob Wife full opaque on the lips. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take a lip liner. I'm going to be using the Trendsetter lip liner from Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. We're going to apply Mob Wife back on so that it can look a little bit more friendlier for my personal taste. Again, you don't have to follow this, but if you are looking to get this gloss and you feel like it's a little too vibrant and bright, this trick will help you tone it down and make it a little bit more subdued and wearable for all occasions. Alright, so this is how I would wear Mob Wives with the brown liner, just to kind of make it more friendly. I think this is a really cute color. It's very salient and bright and out there for my personal. Am I in focus? There we go. Alright, so this is how Mob Wife looks on my skin tone with a brown liner. I think this is really pretty. Don't get me wrong, this is very pretty. I'm looking at my monitor, by the way. This is very pretty, but the color is very salient for my personal taste. Is it wearable? Yes. Again, but for my personal taste, it's just a little bit salient, and plus I'm not really too much into those purple tone lip colors. It's probably gonna be the first and probably only time you will see me with a purple lip, maybe, give or take, unless I do something like the purple purple people one eye eater type of look, or a Barney inspired look. But this is what Mob Wives look like on my skin tone. Again, she's pretty, very salient, very purpley, very mauve-y. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get into shade number 2, which is Fenty Glow. Miss Fenty Glow is a universal nude, rose nude at that, and we're going to go ahead and pop her on. As you guys can see, full opaque. Alright, so here is Fenty Glow, universal rose nude. Pretty on its own. Would I wear it like this? Probably not. I'm probably gonna go ahead. Let me go ahead and add a brown liner on and show you guys that look as well too. I think I'm gonna do that for each color. Just do full opaque, and then I'm gonna do a liner just so you can kind of see the versatility of these glosses. Alright, so here is the Fenty Glow with a lip liner. Honestly, this one right here hits on several occasions. This one slaps, punch, kicks, dabs, dips, whips, and nene all wrapped in one. This is the color. Now, what I really want to do, I want to do a side-by-side swatch of the Fenty Glow Original and then the Fenty Glow Cream, just so you guys can kind of see the difference. I'm gonna swatch it in my palm. Here's the difference between the two, as you guys can kind of see just a little bit. The bottom shade right here, this is the cream, that is the Fenty Glow Original. It's just a little bit more opaque and no shimmer. Honestly, I think this is dope. I'm gonna add Fenty Glow on top of this just to kind of see what she gives. Okay, she gives a little bit more wet, shimmery vibes. Period. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Let's move on into shade number 3, which is Honey Waffles. This Honey Waffles. Honey Waffles. This Honey Waffles is described as a honey butter brown. Right up my alley. Right up where I like to be. I'm a nude snob. I like anything that has brown built into it, and honey butter brown. Miss Honey Waffles, what's good? Let's see how you look on my skin, honey. Miss Honey Waffles, she's here. She pulled up. She pulled up, parked, and parlayed with the kid. I'm here for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a brown liner real quickly, just so I can kind of see how it looks with the brown liner. Going in with that Trendsetter liner from Morphe, as always. This right here is my swag. Period. I love the warmth of this color. It is definitely honey butter brown. This is giving me honey butter biscuits from Whataburger. And if you've never been to Whataburger, baby, you never had a good honey butter biscuit. This is what it is. This is giving me ooh la la sensation. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Period. Period. To the next shade. And that is Miss Cookie Jar. Miss Cookie Jar is described as a chocolate caramel. Chocolate caramel. Or however y'all say it where you're located. Chocolate caramel. I'm excited to give this a go. So let's go ahead and pop it right on the lips.
That's what I'm talking about. It was so black ass. It was black ass.
This, yeah. Let me go ahead and add the liner on. I ain't gonna talk too much about Miss Cookie Jar because Miss Cookie Jar is in my cookie jar. She's in the cookie jar. Period. Don't touch my cookie jar. Can't get up in this cookie jar. That one had to be like one of my most top favorite on her. Cause you know I love browns. Miss Cookie Jar. Miss Cookie Jar. Do Miss Cookie Jar. Miss Cookie. Alright, we're gonna get into the last one, and that is Fruit Snacks. It is described as a berry red, berry good, and that's on Fruit Snacks. Period. She's tea. Real red berry. It's described as it is, a berry red. There are a little bit of hints of purple in this, of course, but it's a deep, plummy red. I'm here for it. It's perfect for the holidays. Perfect for us year-round. This is going to be your go-to color, sis. Like, period. Like my melanated queens, this is going to be your go-to color to throw on. It's going to complement your skin tone no matter what the occasion is, the eye look. I have on a soft glam, soft neutral eye with this pop of color. It's tea. You feel it, I feel it, we feel it together. Now let me go ahead and add that liner on real quickly. I'm going to go ahead and remove the corners like I always do, so I don't waste product. Go in with just a little bit to top off that center. This, ooh, honestly, this with a liner slaps. It hits, it bangs, it busts. It moves, it shakes. She moves, she moves. She bangs, she bangs. Like, living la vida loca. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the end of the video. Honestly, I'm gonna rank my favorite gloss bomb cream to my least. I'm pretty sure you probably already know. Keep in mind, I'm gonna use all of them. They're all bomb. It's just that preference, what I'm gonna use the most, get the most wear out of versus.
And my Wi-Fi just gagged out on the world. Like my other phone won't even go through at all. This is so bad.
Alright, so like I said, it's preference. It's not really so much least to most favorite. It's more or less, it is what it is. I ain't gonna sugarcoat nothing. I'm forever grateful for Fenty to send me these first and foremost. But what I'm gonna be using the most, and y'all gonna be seeing a lot of, I'm gonna wear the hell out of. Number one, my ultimate favorite, that is Miss Honey Waffle. It's honey butter brown. This paired with Freckle Fiesta underneath and a lip liner, which is what I have on right now. This is my combo. Giving me Warm Leo season 2021. And you can't take me. This is what it's going to be. I'm going to wear the heck out of this combination all day, every day. This with Freckle Fiesta. Paired perfectly together. Paired beautifully together. Period. With the brown liner, period. You can't come for her. I ain't asked for you to come to it. I ain't sent for you. There ain't no pigeons with no notes or nothing, girl. I'm slaying. This is it. Period. My second most favorite color, of course, is the other brown, and that is Miss Cookie Jar. Miss Cookie Jar is also tea as well too. She's very deep. She's very rooted in her cultural sister heritage teas. She's very melanated, pigmented, unaggravated, period. She's very rooted in her heritage. She got her Bantu knots. This is her. This is that girl. This is the sister gloss. The sister gloss, period. Number three is Miss Fenty Glow. Can't go wrong with her. She's universal. She's going to give you that pop. She kind of reminds me a little bit of Fussy in general, although it's supposed to be like the Fenty Glow color. I feel like this is a little bit more pinker than the actual Fenty Glow gloss, but at the same time, layering her properly will give you what you need, will give you what you want. She's more than just that. She's a spice girl, and that's what I call her. She's, if you want to be my lover, you got to get with my friends, the rest of the crew. You gotta get with the rest of the crew, because Miss Fenty Glow is universal. She plays neutral. She is neutral, but she will get you together, and that's on what? Spice Girls. My next favorite color, of course, is Miss Fruit Snacks. She's going to be that pop of color that we definitely love and wear year round. We can always rock a berry tone red no matter what the season is. It could be holiday, it could be Kwanzaa, it could be your mama's birthday, your auntie, sister, cousin's baby shower, bar mitzvah. This is the color that you're going to pull out regardless of what the situation may be. You might be getting in a fight and you still want to look cute, whether you get your hair pulled or you beat her up. This is the color that you're going to wear because it's literally universe. I feel like this is like year round for our skin tones, no matter what the situation may be. Even if you get an F on your midterm, you still gonna rock Miss Fruit Snacks regardless. And you gonna wear her proud with that F on your midterm. Please study, guys. Don't fail your midterms because of me. But this is a really good shade. And then of course my least favorite that I'm still gonna wear, I'm still gonna get used out of it, is Miss Mob Wives. Just because she's very much icy on my skin tone, she's very much salient, bright, vibrant. Something I really don't go for, but my light to fair skin tone girls out there, this will be the color for you. This is going to give you that nudie moment that you guys like, but for me, it really shows up very much cool tone purple on my skin tone. So this is going to be my least favorite color out of the collection. But again, I wore all five. I will wear all five because they belong to me. And I'm going to use them. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Fenty lip swatch video of the Gloss Bombs Creams. I know I'm a little late to uploading this video, but nevertheless, I hope you guys came to my channel, my video, to see me try these products out, show you different combinations on how to wear them, how to make them wearable, how to make them useful, no matter which color you got in Christmas or which color you picked up and you feel like it's not the tea. This should help you navigate on how to make it tea-able. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hop off here. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And that's on what? That's on click this video right here.
I like that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,